This video is to be used for educational purposes only and is not intended to replace individual research or licensed investment advice. Unique experiences and past performance does not guarantee future results. Trading stocks, options, and spot currencies involves substantial risk, and there's always the potential for loss. Your trading results may vary. No representations are being made that any software or training will guarantee profits or not result in losses from trading. This is the Premier Trade Market Wrap.
This is the Market Wrap on a Thursday. Jack Lott here on the James Dix Financial Network. There were quite a few major economic reports released today. First-time claims for state unemployment benefits for the week ending March 8th came in at 353,000, the same as the revised number for the week ending March 1st. Continuing claims for benefits remained at a high not seen since September of 2005. Prices of goods imported into the U.S. rose 0.2% in February as the price of imported petroleum marked its second decline in 3 months. U.S. export prices, meantime, climbed by 0.9%, mostly on agricultural exports. Commerce Department reports that retail sales plunged by 0.6% last month, far worse than the small 0.2 percentage point increase that analysts had been expecting. Commerce also reporting that business inventories rose by 0.8% in January. That's a much larger gain than the 0.5% increase that economists were expecting. Nearly 60% of U.S. homes faced foreclosures in February than the same month last year, with Nevada, California, and Florida showing the highest foreclosure rates. Treasury Secretary Paulson unveiled new plans to strengthen federal oversight of the mortgage and credit markets in the first federal regulatory response aimed at the roots of the financial market turmoil that has roiled Wall Street for the last 7 months or so. Electronic Arts said that it has launched a hostile $2 billion tender offer for rival Take-Two Interactive Software. That's the publisher of Grand Theft Auto and other video games. And AOL said it will pay $850 million in cash to acquire social media network Bebo, which has total global membership of more than 40 million. Scheduled economic reports coming out on Friday, Consumer Price Index for February and the Consumer Sentiment Report for March. Earnings today, Volkswagen AG said it plans to sell 8 million cars a year by 2011. It's almost 30% more than last year. It will introduce 20 more models, including vans, pickups, and sport utility vehicles, in a bid to expand its market share in Asia, Europe, and in North America. ICE's Pharmaceuticals reporting a loss after paying preferred dividends of $7 million, or 8 cents a share. CHC Helicopter Corp., that's a Canadian company, said its fiscal third quarter earnings sank 49% as increased lease and debt costs offset rising revenue. Double Eagle Petroleum reported a loss last year as it shifted to drilling in a new area, resulting in write-downs, lower production, and higher exploration and development costs. Earnings on Friday, and Taylor Store, Skillsoft, Capital Gold Corp., Liz Claiborne, Prudential PLC, and Sterling Construction. Stocks in the news today include Countrywide Financial, having a strong long-term insured default rating downgraded by Fitch Ratings because of further deterioration within the home equity portfolios and continued pressure on home prices. Target in talks with an investment partner to sell an undivided interest in about half of Target's credit card receivables for about $4 billion. And CME Group, that's the parent company of the Chicago Mercantile Exchange, expected to announce plans to buy the commodities exchange NYMEX holdings as early as next week. That's the Market Wrap. I'm Jack Lott here on the James Dix Financial Network.